You can make $100 to $500 taking pictures from your smartphone. Yes, you heard that right. $100 to $500 a week from your smartphone just taking pictures. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that in today's video, so stay tuned. What's up, guys? Today we're going to be talking about how to make $100 to $500 a week taking pictures from your phone. All right? But before we get started, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Zeb Summers. I'm an online entrepreneur. I talk about make money online, affiliate, internet, digital marketing, and I'm here to help you through your journey to a laptop lifestyle so you can get some freedom in your life. All right, if you are new to my channel, hit the subscribe button, give me a like, hit that notification bell if you want to be notified every single day that I put out these videos. And if you want to leave me a comment, let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future. And if you have any questions about this content, post it below in the comments and I will reply. If you do happen to subscribe, let me know down below that you subscribe and we'll get you a shout out. All right. Let's get to the point. How to make $100 to $500 a week taking pictures with my phone. Yes, I said that right. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that with a few websites that you can sign up for and sell your photos. All right. So the first website that I'm going to talk about today is called Scoop Shoot. All right. Scoop Shoot allows somebody come to this site and hire a photographer. So what you want to do is you want to sign up as a photographer so you can sell your pictures. So you can make anywhere from $5 to $500 for a picture, depending on what your picture is. So, depending on what the picture is, they tell you what they're looking for, and you go take the picture. That's the best part about this site. This site is telling you what to go take a picture of. So you take a picture and you sell it. All right. So you're getting paid for your services. People make lots of money using this site. Right here is an article about a man who makes $20,000 on his smartphone with Scoop Shoot. All right, so this is the article. It's on Fstoppers. This guy made $19,000 by taking pictures and uploading them to the free download Scoop Shoot app on his Android smartphone. All right, so what you want to do is you want to run over, download the app, start taking pictures, sign up as a photographer, and see if you can sell some of your photos. The next site I'm talking about is Alamy. Alamy is another site where you can sign up and purchase photos. This one will give you a percentage of what the photo sells for on its site. All right, so all these sites pay you pretty much through PayPal, and this one is just you upload photos to the site, they sell it, and you get a percentage of the sale. All right. The next one's called Foap.com. All right. Foap.com is very similar to the last one, except it is all based off of an app, just like Scoop Shoot. They have an app on Android and they have one on iPhone. All right. So go download the app, come here. How does it work? Simple, efficient, it's customized. All right. So what you do, you log in, you sign up, and the way this one works is it pays you 50% of what it sells your photo for. And you can make a lot of money off the photos on this site as well. All right. So the three sites I talked about today are Scoop Shot. That's scoopshot.com. Make sure you write that down. Alamy, alamy.com, foap.com. All right. Write those down. Go check them out and try it out. If you like taking pictures and you want to make some money taking pictures, then go check these sites out. It can't hurt, right? So try it out, take pictures with your phone, and get paid. All right. So if you are more interested in passive income like I do, click on the link below and look at my #1 recommended money making program. All right. So again, guys, if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, give me a like, hit the notification bell, and hit a comment below. Let me know what you like to like to see in the future, and I'll make that happen. If you have any questions, post them below and I will reply. Again, guys, I am here offering you help with affiliate marketing, digital internet marketing, opportunities to make money online for those not looking to do online marketing. All right, so I'm here to show people how to do things online without doing affiliate marketing. They want to do more stuff like this, get paid for their time. If you're looking for passive income, hit the link below and that will show you how I make passive income. All right, again, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out, and I hope you have a great day.